right, 30 minutes later, he's still in there trying to find some treats. But just to let you guys know, this is washable. So if it gets dirty, you could wash it. Comes with 2 little treats, 2 toys. But this guy hasn't given up. He's still looking for. All right, so today we got our dog mat. So this is perfect if you have dogs that get bored easily and you want to give them some nourishment to actually keep up. Now, zoos found out that they started to do this, installing treats into ice blocks and so forth. Now, this is a mat for your dogs, and this is great for them to try to find the treats. So we're gonna open it up and see what you get. All right, they're a little anxious to start getting to their treats. So these come with little squeezy balls that you could put in there, and you could hide treats everywhere. And there's this whole mat it's like supposed to be like a forest and woods and stuff like that. And there's places to hide treats underneath here, and these braces here, all these little pockets in here. And he knows what it is, so he's waiting for it. You could hide stuff in there. There's a string to tie it down even more. So you could hide treats in every single column, including in here. So can't wait to get your snack. Hold on. So we're going to start hiding our snacks in here. And of course, they give you a couple mats, a couple tie downs too, if you guys can see that. So you could tie this down to the floor, and it has like a rubber end here, so it won't move that easy. And if you put it on any kind of cement or carpet or any hardwood floor. So we're gonna start hiding our treats here. So let's go ahead and do that before this guy gets anxious. Look for your treats. Come on, you gotta find your treats. You gotta find your treats. You gotta look for your treats in there. Don't take the mat. Ooh, somebody found treats. He's beating you. He's beating you. How many treats can Toby and... Alright guys, don't take the mat. Don't take the mat. Don't take the mat. Just find the treats. Find the treats. I think Toby found one, but it's stuck in there. Tell me, sir, how do you like this new toy, sir? He's busy. He's busy. Toby's trying to find one. Toby's a little lazy, sat down. He got tired of looking for it. All right, so right now these guys having fun. More than half, and then one's trying to get it out. If you guys can see that, he's trying to find it. It's stuck in there. And he has his hand trying to hold it onto it. Look at that. Really simple to install. He's trying to find it. This guy is very durable. Surprise. Alright, so to enrich your dogs and keep them entertained, this is something a lot of zoos are doing, and dogs are getting bored at home, especially right now where the people are working from home now. You need to entertain them and to keep them away from you and try to like enrich them by themselves. This is a perfect way to do it, by giving them some snacks in there. You know, you get them chubby at the same time, but healthy because it keeps their brain going. They're looking for it, entertainment. I mean, this guy's been going here for already half an hour trying to find little treats in here. The smell's everywhere. That's a good thing about it. So they think there are snacks everywhere and they're hidden. And at the end of the day, you go back and clear it out, see what they left behind. But most likely they'll find what they're looking for. And in fact, this guy's going through every single sack and looking for it. This guy's been trying for maybe a half an hour on the same tree. So very, very enrichment for your dogs. It keeps them entertained for hours. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.